There are 4 new features in the updated version. Target air-fuel ratio. Temperature compensation. The updated for auto-tune. The updated for quick shift. The target air-fuel ratio is in the fuel calibration category. The XY axis represents for engine RPM and throttle percentage. The green area is the correction percentage of target AFR. You can change the value by mathematic equation as always. If you tune the real AFR, reach to the target AFR by manual or auto-tune at the first. Now you can use this function to change real AFR quickly. No need to retune again. After you change the value, ECU will update fuel map to memory automatically.